Hey there, future money movers. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to transfer money to Flywire in 2025. If you're dealing with international payments, student fees, or any secure transactions, Flywire is your go-to platform. It's fast, reliable, and packed with the latest tech to make things seamless. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, why use Flywire in 2025? With enhanced security features like biometric verification and AI-driven fraud detection, it's safer than ever. Plus, it supports multiple currencies and has partnerships with banks worldwide. To get started, you'll need a Flywire account. If you don't have one, head to the Flywire website or app and sign up. It's free and takes less than a minute. Just enter your email, create a password, and verify your identity. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Here, you'll see an option to initiate a new transfer. Select the type of payment you're making, like education fees or personal remittances. Next, enter the recipient's details accurately. This includes their Flywire ID, amount, and currency. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Now, choose your payment method. In 2025, Flywire offers options like bank transfers, credit cards, or even digital wallets for instant transfers. If you're using a bank account, link it securely through the app. After selecting, review the transaction summary, including fees and exchange rates. Flywire is transparent about costs. Hit Confirm to process the payment. You'll get an instant confirmation email and a tracking ID to monitor your transfer. A few tips to make this smoother. Always use a strong internet connection to prevent timeouts, and keep an eye on any promotional codes for reduced fees. If you run into issues, Flywire's 24/7 chat support is top-notch. And remember, for large transfers, verify the recipient to avoid scams. There you have it. That's how you transfer money to Flywire in 2025. It's straightforward and empowers you to handle finances globally. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe transferring, everyone. See you next time.